To simplify this, we start by foiling. Or you can simply see that this is a difference of two squares, but let's FOIL. Sec squared x from this times that, then that times that is going to be plus sec x tan x. This one and that one will be minus sec x tan x. Then this one and that one will be minus tan squared x. And then we can see that the middle terms cancels because they are like terms. These two, they are gone. So we have sec squared x minus tan squared x. And then, ladies and gentlemen, I need to remind you of this. Ne? Remember, tan squared x is the same as sec squared x minus 1. All right, this is an Pythagorean identity that you need to know. On your formula sheet, I think it's like this. It's like tan squared x plus 1 is equals to sec squared x. So here we're going to replace one of those two with this identity. So I can pick to replace the sec squared x by tan squared x plus 1. Do you see it? So where I see sec squared x, I'm going to put tan squared x plus 1. But we have another minus tan squared x. So this one and that one will cancel. So we just left with positive 1. Thank you.